Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door bean in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door bean. This door bean is mounted at the bottom of the fresh food compartment door. It's used for storing real small objects in the fridge. The main reason why the door bean would need to be replaced is if it breaks and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove that bottom door bean, we need to use a flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to slide it here and pry the side out, and then we can slide the door bean out. Alright, now we have here our old door bean, and the new door bean comes from the factory without that nice looking white trim. So you have two options: either use a new door bean without the trim, or try to remove this old one and reuse it. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to use the same flat blade screwdriver, and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 clips that we need to release. Try not to break the trim on the way. Alright, so we managed to not break it, so we can reuse it, and we're going to get the new one. This is the old door bean next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So we have here a new door bean, and we're going to install the trim. And place it on the top of the edge here, and push it down so the little clips will lock. Alright, now I'm going to install that door bean. This opening will go over this tab. So I'm going to slide it in, push it all the way in, and then I'm going to slightly bend this side and push it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.